everyone. Today, we will be discussing the fascinating world of chemical engineering. This multidisciplinary field combines the principles of chemistry, physics, and biology to design, analyze, and operate processes that convert raw materials into finished products. With its roots dating back to the 18th century, chemical engineering has come a long way and continues to play a vital role in our everyday lives, from food production to energy production and transportation. At its core, chemical engineering is all about solving complex problems. These problems often involve optimizing chemical processes to achieve maximum efficiency, minimize waste, and reduce the environmental impact. The field has evolved over time, with the development of new technologies and the understanding of deeper chemical principles. Today, chemical engineers are working to create sustainable solutions, such as renewable energy sources and biodegradable materials, that will help us move towards a cleaner, greener future. One of the most rewarding aspects of chemical engineering is the wide range of career opportunities available. After completing your degree, you can work in various settings, including research labs, manufacturing plants, and consulting firms. Some possible career paths include: 1. Process engineer. Design and optimize chemical processes to meet production needs. 2. Analytical engineer. Use mathematical models and computer simulations to help solve chemical problems. 3. Energy engineer. Design and optimize energy systems that convert raw materials into finished products. 4. Environmental engineer. Work on sustainable solutions to address environmental challenges in industries and communities. 5. Process control specialist. Monitor and control chemical processes to ensure efficiency and safety. In conclusion, chemical engineering is a dynamic and exciting field that plays a crucial role in our society. By continuously innovating and adapting to new challenges, chemical engineers will help us create a better tomorrow. So, if you're passionate about understanding the complexities of chemical processes and making a difference in the world, consider pursuing a degree in chemical engineering.